Okay, with this activity, you're going to be sorting the things here on the left onto this paper that has this organizer for story structure for a package for Mrs. Jules. So you'll be looking at like what is the setting, what are the characters, what's the problem, and you're going to be deciding whether these things, which category these things belong in. So, for example, let's look at Lewis learns how the schoolyard becomes such a mess when Mrs. Jules reveals that the students had been throwing pencils out of the window to understand gravity. So I'll think about it and I'll say, I'm not. I feel like this is probably an event, something that happened in the story. So you're just gonna drag it over, drop it right there in events. Okay. You're gonna do that with all of these. And I think that's it. I'm going to make these smaller so they actually fit. Okay, good luck with this drag and drop activity. I hope that it works for you. Oh, one thing that's really important is notice I'm not in present mode. You don't want to click present mode or you won't be able to move these things around. Okay.